What's the biz, y'all? Excuse that background noise. And I'm talking about the TV, not the baby. Yeah. It's your guy JC, McKnight Mayhem. And today we're gonna do something a little different. I gotta get this floor. Look at this floor, man. And excuse the lighting because one of the lights blew out of here. But this floor is picking up like, we got 4 kids. So of course something sticky had to fall somewhere on here. It's looking quite empty, and y'all might be wondering, how'd you get your kitchen so empty? I just moved everything out. That's how my mom always said, when you want something clean, you gotta clean it right, you gotta move everything out. So I moved everything out of the kitchen. And what I'm gonna do is, y'all, let me show y'all. I got this steamer thing. We're gonna see if it really works. Let me show you what it look like. I keep this steamer in this bag because there's so many pieces. But I got these. We got this microfiber joint. We're gonna use this. We're gonna put it together. I don't know if y'all ever seen this joint. You ever seen them before? Yeah. So we gotta put it together. So the X5 is literally 4 pieces. You got the main body, 2 handle pieces, and the floor mop. And like I say, it's real easy to put on. Just slide it in. I wasn't looking. We're done. Yeah, how quick it was to put it together. Now, all we gotta do is put some water in it, get it plugged in, let it heat up. Then we're gonna knock out this kitchen floor real quick. The beauty of it is, all you gotta do is use some tap water or even some bottled water just to keep the minerals out, or distilled water rather. I don't have distilled water, so we're just gonna use some filtered water. Yeah, Mayhem. So as soon as you plug it in, the light comes on, and then for you to activate it, I want to get it all the way to 4. Get it all the way to 4. Then we turn it on. Well, guys, let me know what you thought. Just got done. Floor is a little damp, not much. I'll show you. But I can't say it's squeaky clean. Can you hear it? But that was it's been fun. I almost slipped and fell while I'm playing. It's been fun. Hey man, come back and kick it with your guy JC on some randomness. Just having to get the floor cleaned, and I think I'll bring y'all along with me, and we'll see if this X5 is anything worth. But it don't really matter because I already bought it. It's paid for and it's here. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that little bit of randomness. I do appreciate it. Y'all be safe. McKnight Mayhem. Yeah.